Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might hit close to home for some of you. What it really means when someone doesn't have many friends. Now, before you click away thinking this is going to be all doom and gloom, stick around. We're about to challenge some common assumptions and maybe even change how you view friendship altogether. Have you ever looked at someone with few friends and thought, there must be something wrong with them? Well, what if I told you that a lack of friends could actually indicate some pretty incredible qualities? Intrigued? Let's dive in. Point 1. Selective and values-driven. First up, having few friends might mean you're incredibly selective. You value quality over quantity in your relationships. Think about it. Would you rather have a bunch of surface-level acquaintances or a small circle of ride-or-die friends? People with few friends often have high standards for the company they keep. They're not willing to compromise their values or waste time on relationships that don't truly fulfill them. So if this sounds like you, congratulations. You're not antisocial. You're discerning. Point 2. Independent and self-reliant. Next, let's talk about independence. Those with fewer friends often develop a strong sense of self-reliance. They're comfortable being alone and don't need constant social validation. This independence can be a superpower. It means you're more likely to pursue your passions without distraction. Make decisions based on your own judgment, not peer pressure. Develop a deep understanding of yourself. Remember, being comfortable alone doesn't mean you don't enjoy company. It just means you're not dependent on it for your happiness or self-worth. Point 3. Deep thinker and introvert. Now, here's a fascinating correlation. Many deep thinkers and introverts tend to have smaller social circles. Why? Because they're often more focused on their inner world than the external one. If you're someone with few friends, you might be highly introspective, naturally drawn to complex ideas and meaningful conversations, more energized by solitude than large social gatherings. These traits can make it challenging to connect with just anyone, but they also make you an incredibly interesting and thoughtful friend to those who truly get you. Point 4. Focused and goal-oriented. Let's bust another myth. Having few friends doesn't mean you're antisocial. In many cases, it means you're intensely focused on your goals and personal growth. When you're driven to achieve your dreams, you might naturally have less time for socializing. This focus and dedication are admirable qualities. You're prioritizing long-term fulfillment over short-term social pleasures. Just remember, balance is key. Even the most ambitious among us need some social connection to thrive. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. But isn't having friends important for mental health and well-being? Absolutely. Human connection is vital. The key is to recognize that it's the quality of those connections that matter, not the quantity. If you're someone with few friends but are feeling lonely or isolated, that's valid too. This video isn't meant to discourage seeking out new connections. Instead, it's about reframing how we view friendship and recognizing the strengths that often come with having a smaller social circle. So, what does a lack of friends really indicate? It could mean you're selective, independent, thoughtful, and focused. These are incredible qualities that make you a valuable friend to those lucky enough to be in your inner circle. If you resonated with this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. And hey, if you're looking to expand your social circle with like-minded individuals, drop a comment below. Let's create a community of quality connections right here. Don't forget to subscribe for more myth-busting content like this. Until next time, remember, it's not about how many friends you have, but the depth of those friendships that truly matters.